In this video, we're going to talk about common logs. To evaluate logs with other bases, we're going to convert them to common log. The first formula we're going to use is the change of base formula. The log of base a of n equals the log of n divided by log a. Very important. If we have a log and it has no base, the base is assumed to be 10. In this section, it says use a calculator to approximate to the nearest 10,000. I never tell you to take out a calculator, but today we will need a calculator for this lesson. Example 1 has log base 9 of 1043 or 1043. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this as log 1043 divided by log 9. We converted both of these to base 10, and this is how I would like for you to type it into your calculator. So if you grab your calculator, there's a button that says LOG on it. We're going to press that button. We're going to type 1043 and close the parenthesis. Use the division key. And then we have log 9, close the parenthesis, and you're going to mash enter. When you mash enter, you're going to get 3.1630, and you have repeating numbers. It says round to the nearest 10,000, so we're going to approximate our answer to the 4th decimal place. So 3.1630 will be your answer for example 1. In example 2, we have 2 raised to the x equals 23. So in this particular equation, I want you to notice that I cannot go to exponential form. There is not anything, there's no number that I can raise from 2 to a power to get 23. So 2 raised to something will equal 23. Because of this, we have to convert to log form. And we're going to change the base. So we're going to convert this to x times log of 2 and set it equal to log 23. We're going to solve the equation for x. And to undo multiplication, we will have to divide. When we divide, we have x is going to equal the log of 23 divided by the log of 2. We converted these to a common base. So that means that our base will automatically be 10. And this is how we will type this into our calculator. So in your calculator, you're going to type log 23, close that parenthesis for me, divided by log 2, also close that parenthesis and click enter. We have to go to the 4th decimal place because we're going to the 10,000th place. So 4.5236, because that 5 will round up, will be our answer for example 2. So x is approximately 4.5236. All right, one last problem here, which is example 3. When you look at example 3, we have log 5 times 2 to the 3rd power. So this is multiplication, and when you see multiplication, you know it should be addition. So we're going to expand this log into log 5 plus 3 log 2. When we expand this log, you have to remember that your 3, of course, will come to the front because your exponent turns into your leading coefficient. We're going to type this just as we see it in the calculator. So we have log 5, close that parenthesis, plus 3 log 2, close that parenthesis, click enter, and you'll have 1.6021 because the 5 tells you to round up. So for example 3, you have approximately 1.6021.